Hello and welcome to Slow Foxtrot Basic and Beyond lesson. Here we explore advanced figures which we can build from basic figures. And today we'll look at Promenade link to Fallaway and hover to Promenade position. Now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. So we start with Tango basic figures which are Promenade link and Fallaway reverse slip pivot ending. So we start from Promenade position, slow, quick, quick, then Fallaway reverse ending, quick, quick, and progressive link and step in Promenade position. Now we will translate these movements to slow Foxtrot. We start from Promenade position and quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. Now let's look at Romance and Violetta. They will show us first of all tango figures. So we start from Promenade position and dance Promenade link, then steps 3 and 4 of Fallaway reverse slip pivot and progressive link. Very good. From opposite angle. Again, we start from Promenade position and slow, quick, 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 quick. Very good. And now we will translate these movements to slow Foxtrot. So we start, of course, from Promenade position, we lower, dance Promenade link, Fallaway reverse ending, and hover to Promenade position. And now from opposite angle, pay attention how Romance and Violetta use head shape and also rise and fall. And quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. Very good. And now let's look at figures we dance before our main figures. So we dance syncopated tumble turn and then 3 to 6 steps of waltz weave, finishing in Promenade position. Now let's look again, this time with teaching count. Quick, 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 and quick, 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 quick. Now let's combine figures we already have. We will start with syncopated tumble turn, then weave to Promenade position, and Promenade link, Fallaway ending, and hover to Promenade position. Very good. Let's look from opposite angle. Quick, 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 and quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. Now after hover to Promenade position, we will continue with run from Promenade position to oversway from Promenade position. So we start in Promenade, we dance Promenade run with change of shape into oversway line. Very good. Let's do it again. And slow and quick, quick, slow, slow. Very good. And now let's look at another angle so you can see more clearly line figure. So we start from Promenade position. We dance run with counter Promenade headline and over sway with sway and rotation. Very good. And now let's continue with beginning of our today's routine. So we start with preparation step, then dance basic feather step and bounce Fallaway. Let's look once again, this time with teaching count. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick. And now let's put together our today's routine. So we start with preparation step, then feather step, into bounce Fallaway, syncopated tumble turn, weave to promenade position, promenade link with Fallaway reverse ending, hover to promenade position, run in promenade position into over sway from promenade position. Very good, let's do it again, this time with teaching count. Five, 6, 7, 8, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, 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 and quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, slow. And now to music. Thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.